So we got rain clouds again today. Brilliant white rain clouds. And they're all been sprayed. So right over here, you can see remnants of the spraying. Right there. Okay, it's getting dark over here. We hope we get some rain. And if you look over here, right there, that is aerosols. Different texture, darker in color, more of a gray. That is aerosols. It's been sprayed in these clouds to stop the rain. But Mother Nature's pretty vigilant, and I think she's gonna win maybe on this. So we hope so. It's getting awful dark. All right, Critter out.